Hello one and all, welcome back to Thetford. We are off-road again with my brother, having a jolly old time. He's in the truck. Just had to stop and start the camera and whatnot. There we go. Hello?
You got your map to work?
Yeah. Cool stuff. Right, he's following me. Wearing the old helmet today, so no goggles, and the camera's moved again. So I can't apologise for the inconsistency. But yeah, it's a long old trip down to Thetford for me. And I haven't got a helmet set up with comms other than this one, so it's nice to have an intercom. It's also pretty nice to be able to listen to music for the couple of hour journey that it was. But yeah, welcome to Thetford, beautiful sunny Thetford. It's a little bit wet, as you can see. Yeah, I came down to see my brother because it's been a little while, and thought it'd be worth doing a few trails with him. He's got a couple mates in the car, but we're gonna have a grand old time. He is coming. Yeah, hope you're all doing really well. I think when I record this, or when this goes out at least, we should have hit 100 subscribers, so a massive thank you to everybody who subscribed. It does mean a lot. But yeah, thank you all. It does mean a lot. It means that I'm somewhat interesting to watch. You know, it makes me feel good, makes me happy. So I guess the next goal that would be sensible to aim for would be 200 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed when you're watching this and you think, yeah, I might like a bit more of this, might want to see where this guy gets to, please hit the subscribe button. Of course you don't have to, your time is your time. Oh my god, this is sandy. Yeah, if you do decide to, welcome all. See, I love Thetford for this kind of stuff. It's like sandy, it's not so much boggy farm tracks that we get in the Midlands. Which of course makes it a little interesting to ride. I think I had a little bit of air there. These new tyres are doing fucking fantastically on this stuff compared to the last time I was down in Thetford. Fucking launching it over some of these, need to definitely be a little bit careful. But now, yeah, definitely more confident than I have been in the past. Feels really good, the bike at the moment. New clutch is in. It would have been the last video that came out. Yeah, new clutch is in. Absolutely fantastic work. My local Yamaha. So thank you very much to those guys for making it fairly painless. Other than a little bit harmful to the wallet, but hey, live and learn. I'll try not to do it too many times. Yeah, this track is a lot of fun. Some lovely woodland to my left, nice open fields to the right. Definitely need to move my left foot. It's not quite on the peg. So you might be able to see there on the map that they've TRO'd the bit in front, but we're going to make a right turn here. Make a right turn and we'll continue down this side of the track. So next lane is here on the right, someplace. I reckon it's here. Oh, hit tree. Woohoo! Yeah, I've got him. Yeah, that tree caught me off guard a little bit, to be honest. Hit me in the shoulder. No, it was a bit stronger than I thought it was going to be. It didn't just flex out of the way. Some of these rocks are quite big. Do not want to get myself caught hitting one at the wrong angle. Definitely need to open up that visor. Getting very warm inside this helmet now. Quite big, sudden kind of dips in this track. So obviously the front wheel has to dip in, and then I use just a little bit of throttle to kind of climb it back out. This is quite a good track. It's a little less sandy, a bit more muddy. Still undulating, but it makes for some interesting riding. Some more grain bins. This is where it becomes farm track, so it might be a bit compressed down this bit now, if we're lucky. It's a shame he isn't into motorbikes, because I reckon we'd have a blast down here. But the truck is definitely a serious bit of kit. It's just be fucking disturbing all the water. See if he's a real ass, he could stop just after a puddle, and that'd probably be me in it. He's got to drive through the puddly bits. So yeah, I've been practicing a bit of technique more recently. Gripping the tank with my knees a little bit more, steering with my ankles, trying to make smarter choices on picking the lines. He's flooring it now. Oh, all the dust. Very sandy stuff. Probably shouldn't razz it on the sand as much. Although, admittedly, when we started, it was more gravelly. super sandy track now. I realised that my phone's turned off as well, so I should probably get that back open. But I assume he's got his open, so should be okay. Feel the back wheel is skating around a hell of a lot. Just trying to keep the power on. Oh my god, I can see where another motorbike has come off there, or at least lost it. Oh god. Ooh. Nearly had me. Didn't see the giant puddle of water until it was a bit too late. Yeah, trying to not get too distracted, but obviously I'm talking to the camera, to you guys. Which is definitely a little bit distracting. Trying to focus on a train of thought and string together sentences. So when I fall off, I can at least blame it on that. Oh my god. A little bit harder packed sand, so this is slightly easier to ride on. I'm just going to sit for a minute, catch my breath. I'm getting warm, definitely working out. It's funny watching that truck jump up and down and knowing that I'm next. Ooh, a bit of shade. Need to back off a little bit because I can't really see what's coming up. Very bouncy road, that's for sure. Very bouncy. Try and give my legs a little break when I can. I haven't been off-road for that long, but conserve energy where you can. What we do now, we're going around a tree. Yep, going around a tree. There's some bikes down here. How's it going? You alright? Yeah, not too bad. You guys been far today? You guys been far today?
I'm just doing the loop.
Aye. Yeah. Absolutely shad.
Yeah, I feel it already.
Aye. They look fun.
I've done 2.5 hours already, so I'm
Yeah. We've probably been going for about half an hour, if that. Shattered. Aye. Alright, we'll shut the gate.
That's a Tenere super thing, isn't it?
Yeah, World Raid.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah. Handles it alright now, I've changed the tyres. It's a lot of weight.
That's the only thing.
I'm starting to feel like I want one of those. Yeah. Does the job. Does the job.
You need lots of bikes, don't you?
Hey?
You need lots of bikes, they all do different things.
Yeah, specialised. Oh, I love meeting other bikers. It's not very often you'll meet them on the trails. It's definitely, you know, very few bikers to begin with in England. Even less will do green laning. Now, they seem sound, and they had plates on the backs of their bikes. I couldn't see whether they're like road legal or anything, but assuming it is. And they're just doing the same thing we are, just in the other direction. Oh, look, there's two more. Hello. Woo! This is very soft. Fucking hell. Yeah, this is fucking sketchy as shit. Whoa! Super soft sand. I can feel the rear wheel is spinning. Find out that fucking great big thing's just stuck in that sand back there. Because that was very soft and deep. A bit like this crap. Okay. Definitely trying to keep my weight onto the left foot peg here. Yeah, of course he's going through the fucking puddle. Alright, well I can creep round this one. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Oh, he's gone smashing straight through it. And we're going left here. Me. Super soft sand. And then annoyingly there's some puddles just randomly in the middle. Getting out. Wee, whoa, wee, yo, hey, yo. Sludgy sand, panic. Trying my best to not fucking stack it. Because it was pointed out to me that I tend to stack it in most videos, which I'm trying to not do. I mean, it does make for some good content, I think, but yeah, most of the time I'm trying to not injure myself. Best I can anyway. A couple of whoops coming up. Nearly got splashed in the face there. I can see the water droplets coming up at me. I am wondering how much of the route we've done. I mean, that's sketchy turning on that sand. I hope it comes out well in video. The amount of dancing around the back tyre does. I think maybe slightly worse than the Kenders were, but the front makes up for all of it. Sludgy shit. Try and avoid the sludgy shit as best as I can. Coming up to a bit of a crossroads here, I think. puddle I can't avoid. It's fine, not very deep. I say crossroads. This is oh no, there it is. I've lost the truck. Ooh. No idea where it's got to. Pardon me. That's good, that. There's a bird in the way. Yeah, we saw in the comments on Trailwise that the I nearly ran over a bird then, I think. Yeah, this lane was still an active lane, but the landowners had requested people not follow the suggested route. That grouse? Is that what that is? I don't know. Whatever it is, it's in my way. I'm not convinced any of these maps are correct now. Oh yeah, could have cut that way. But we'll make this turn here. And this will hook up to the end. Yeah, it's a bit of a confusion. Maybe we weren't supposed to go down that upper middle road. We were supposed to like cut through at the bottom, but yeah, the green lane map needs updating. Maybe I'll leave a comment in there and we can try and get it fixed. Cool, they're behind me. And yeah, this hooks up back with where it's supposed to go. I think. Leave it as you found it and all that. It's just a bit of grassy track now. A shitload of like molehills in it. But the comments on the lane said from a local guy to follow sort of the pre-driven track when you get to the field at the top. So that's what we're doing now. Instead of just going straight line across it. It's a bit of an adventure, isn't it? Realised I was sort of caning first then, unnecessarily. Fuck. They ploughed a field. Go around it. Well, now this is an adventure. ungraded, undriven, but we're following the GPX line. It's a public right of way. Sorry, not the GPX line, but the byway line. Oh, it's getting warm out here. Is he cutting left? What's he found? Has he found another track? Yeah, it looks like he's found a track. Cool, we will follow this down next to the fence. Yeah, that makes sense. Just all having a grand old time. I can't quite tell what he was pointing at. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. Sounds nice. Yeah, well, you might have just seen the dirt bikes go past then, if I turn the camera on in time. So this must clearly be a bit of a popular area of the Thetford Forest area. Hitting these a little too fast for my comfort, I think. Very bumpy. Ooh, sounds like Josh just scratched something. Yeah, it seems like there's a bit of a circuit that's been made. Very whoopy. Super whoopy. He's clattering that a little bit. There's like a bit of track on the left we could have done. A bit off the map now. This is Permissive byway, so it's not issued by a governing body. This is the landowner saying I'll let people drive through my land, which of course they could take away at any moment they wanted. Fucking hell. Idiot. He's gonna slowly destroy his truck doing this. Oh, fucking hell. That's a bike. Hello. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, there's another guy flying around on a yellow one somewhere. Yeah, he's blasted it. Looks alright though. Hey?
Yeah, it's fucking lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. In terms of what we've had.
Where are you going today? Have you been up to Hunstanton or just done the Thetford around here?
So we started Bury St Edmunds, just north of there. And we're just kind of doing the outside loop of Thetford at the moment. Try and end up in about the same place. But I didn't realise until I got down here that they've closed most of Thetford now, haven't they? TRO'd it all.
Yeah, there's only a couple of lanes though. There's still loads of
It's like the 7 or 8 in the middle. Yeah. But yeah, there's still plenty to do. I didn't even know this was a thing. We literally got off the road byway, the council's byway, whatever you call it. Turned right, saw a sign saying Permissive byway. I was like, oh, we'll go see what's down here. So yeah, no idea where I'm going. I'm just gonna follow the tracks.
I run a big bike group here in Norfolk.
Yeah.
I know all the lanes around here. If you want to join us, it's totally free.
Oh, is that Facebook?
Look it up on Facebook.
Yeah, yeah. As well, like I say, I'm not from here. I only come up down when I'm seeing him. But
You want to come ride?
yeah, yeah, absolutely.
A bunch of us.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Been fanning about with their wives today.
Yeah.
But,
Just on your own then.
we regularly go out on the big bikes and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, not that dirty yet.
Yeah. I'll be beat before this bike is anyway. Cool. Right, I best go catch up with him.
Yeah, no.
Have a good day. Nice meeting you. Ooh. Out getting scratched to death. That was very cool, meeting another guy on a Tenere on the trails. Fucking hell, this track is bouncy as fuck. It's quite cool. Oh, I can see him. Yeah, obviously he was chatting about his Facebook group, Norfolk ADV. So I guess if you're from this area, or you're watching from this area I should say, you should I guess check that out if you've got a big adventure bike and you want to go hit some trails. This is quite something. Oh my god. I wish I was on the right side. So much trees and shit on this side. Fucking hell. Oh. Complete workout. Some of these are as big as this bike. I've got to back way off from him. Okay. Fucking Jesus. Oh god, fucking hell, that was a big one. Definitely need to make sure I'm covering my my brakes as I can, because it's clear that today there's just bikes flying down this lane, and I can't blame them. Fucking Jesus Christ. Just riding the whoops, as you do, riding the whoops. It's a little bit sketchy down this bit. Yeah, that was really deep. I'm glad I went on the side. You fucking drenched me. You drenched me. Yeah. Fucking Jesus. That was really boggy. I know I wasn't recording for part of it, but we had two Teneres go flying past. And they suggested that we follow them. Oh, we're back at this farm. Alright. Oh, Jesus. Hit that very hard then at the end there.